Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify join playlist. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify join playlist, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter to the window of Spotify. Then in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.